Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting by getting the app and confirming basics. Make sure your iPhone meets the iOS requirement, you're on Wi-Fi, and you have free storage. Once done, open the App Store and download Google Drive. After installation, tap to open the app. You'll be prompted to sign in. Sign in with your Google account so Drive can link to your cloud files. This step gets you into Drive's environment and prepares the app for permissions and uploads. Now that you're inside, sign in and grant necessary permissions. Drive needs access to photos and files to upload. Make sure you allow notifications if you want alerts about sharing or sync issues. Tap the plus button to upload photos, scan documents, or create folders. Once you upload, organize files into folders so sync stays tidy. If you want offline access, tap the three dots beside a file and choose Available. Finish by organizing and sharing. Move files into folders, star key documents, and set sharing permissions to control access. Make sure background app refresh is enabled so Drive can sync in the background, and confirm offline files are set for critical items. If something goes wrong, don't panic. First, check your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Google account status. If sync still fails, force close Drive, restart your iPhone, and reinstall the app as a last resort to refresh the connection and clear corrupted cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.